I am going to tell you how to sign a PDF with a digital signature certificate in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat and load the PDF you want to sign. Open your file, look for the sign option. Depending on your version of Acrobat, it might appear as a pen icon or under a menu called Fill and Sign. When you enter signing mode, choose to add a signature. Here you can pick how you want your signature to appear, whether typed, drawn, or using an image of your handwritten signature. If you're using a digital certificate, make sure you select the option so your signature is secure and verifiable. Once your signature is ready, click or draw inside the signature box. Your cursor will now be prepared to place the signature anywhere on the document. You can resize or reposition it to fit perfectly within the signature area. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.